Want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. And you're not alone. Some 16% of adults performed a side gig in the previous month to help them make extra money. And of those, 64% spent less than 20 hours doing those jobs during that period. We've rounded up 10 ways to make money online for each potential side job. While most people want to make money fast, don't discount the slow gigs, as they may pay more in the long run. So let's get started the video. How to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we've found some viable options. Number 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language. Check sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. Number 2. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and Photo Shelter. Some sites require a subscription, but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries and a customized website. Number 3. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. You can also make money on TikTok this way. Number 4. Test websites and app. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps worked. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Usertesting.com does not disclose an exact amount. Number 5. Make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Number 6. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is a way to make quick money online. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious, tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Join a community like the mTurk Crowd Forum or the mTurk and Turker Nation subreddits, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Number 7. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Number 8. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Broadcasters can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. Number 9. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark creators must make before applying for the YouTube Partners program. YouTube Partners then get access to Google AdSense, a service businesses pay through to advertise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. Number 10. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery. Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. Etsy boasted about 96 million active buyers and grossed over $13.5 billion in merchandise sales in 2021, according to data from Statista. Well, that's all we have for you today. Leave your opinion in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.